Public officials want stronger laws when it comes to gang violence, and they've come up with a plan to get it.
It comes nearly a year after the death of Preston Lord, who was beaten to death at a Halloween party in Queen Creek. Fox 10's Brian Webb joins us live with details. Brian.
This new group category of crime is called swarming, when a group of people attacks one individual. Authorities insist current laws aren't enough, so they're working together to make it change. Mob mentality, gang violence, or swarming, all words to describe an ugly problem that came to light last year.
As we approach the one-year anniversary of the awful events that took place on October 28th, it is so important to remember Preston.
This is a tragic reminder of what happened almost a year ago to Preston Lord and to his family, but it is rewarding to have people coming together to address the situation.
This proposal is in response to Preston Lord's death. 7 people were charged with murder in that case, but in several other unrelated cases involving teen violence, many suspects were charged with low-level Class 6 felonies or misdemeanor charges, and authorities insist they need better laws on the books.
A purgatory, if you will, between misdemeanors and felonies. And that simply does not speak to the seriousness of these crimes.
The loss of Preston Lord at the hands of a brutal teenage mob. It's unacceptable, and it deserves a statewide response.
A new swarming law could be used anytime people team up to beat up an individual, and charges could jump to a Class 4 felony along with much harsher penalties.
That if you commit an assault and are aided by 2 or more accomplices, the charge would be a Class 4 felony.
This effort's going to provide new tools, better tools for law enforcement, but most importantly, it's going to hold violent offenders accountable, especially in these cases of swarming.
2 state lawmakers are already on board with this idea and promise to bring it here to the state capitol in January. Live in Phoenix, Brian Webb, Fox 10 News.